Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops operations weather brief for Wednesday, April 15th. Did see a little bit of rain showers this morning as expected. Only saw about a tenth of an inch of rain though across the Wallops area. Even did see some lightning just south of uh, Wallops Island this morning, which was a little bit unexpected. And we are going to continue to see just a slight chance of an additional sprinkle or two, but it does look like the bulk of the rain is over, and then we'll start to see some sunshine once we get towards the afternoon. Take a quick look at our radar this morning. There you can see we're kind of in between these two areas of a shower, one that just past the southern Delmarva, and then another area off across the northern Delmarva, and that is weakening. It doesn't really look like there's a good chance of this additional area to the north to come down all the way to the Wallops region. Can't rule it out, but it does look like, for the most part, rain chances have ended, and as we get towards late morning hours, we'll start to see those clouds slowly break up as well. Also, take a look at our satellite loop this morning. This is infrared satellite. We're seeing a increase in cloud thickness across central Delmarva, but not seeing any radar returns coming out of this. Most of the forcing is across the northern portions of the Delmarva, and it does look like that is weakening as well. And so we're going to continue to see cloudy skies for the next couple of hours and seeing a little sunshine after lunchtime. So taking a look at our surface analysis, there's that front down there with that weak low that developed on along it, and that has helped to generate those showers we saw earlier this morning. That front will continue to move eastward, weaken, and not going to see any threat of showers once we get towards the afternoon. Currently, as of 8 a.m., seeing a few clouds at 1,500 feet, overcast at 5,500. Winds were from the north-northwest at around 10 knots, temperature around 40 degrees. For today, going to be seeing temperatures slow to warm up. Not really expecting our high temperature until a late afternoon, and it is going to be rather chilly, running around 10 degrees below average this time of year. Only expecting a high of 51 degrees. Winds are going to remain north-northwesterly this morning, and getting down to 8 to 13 knots and gusty by the late morning hours, and then slowly weakening this afternoon from the northwest, becoming 7 to 12 knots by the late afternoon hours, and then weakening to the west or southwest at 4 to 9 knots by sunset. Overnight, we're going to see some light southwesterly winds, and then those southwesterly winds will increase a bit towards the pre-dawn hours of Thursday, and then shifting northwesterly at 9 to 14 knots and slightly gusty Thursday morning. Expect a low tonight of around 40 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, gonna continue to see a few clouds at 1,500, overcast at 5,500 this morning. Then once we get towards the afternoon, we're gonna start to see those clouds breaking up, becoming few at 5, broken at 9,000, overcast at 25,000, and then seeing some sunshine shortly after that. Once we get towards the mid to late afternoon hours, it does look like we might even see some mostly sunny skies out there, just a few clouds at 5,000 feet, and then a few to scattered cirrus. And then tonight we will be seeing clear skies, especially after about 8 p.m. And then as we get towards the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow, just going to be seeing a few to scattered at 6,000 feet, and tides are normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. For tomorrow, going to be partly cloudy and cool. It's going to be slightly breezy at times, high of 57, so still a cool day, just a couple degrees warmer than we're expecting today. Thursday night going to be partly cloudy to mostly clear. We're going to be seeing a good setup for some radiational cooling, so expect a low near 36. And then Friday, seeing a more seasonable day with a high of 60 under partly cloudy skies early, and then we'll see those clouds increase later in the day, and it will be breezy at times with a gusts between about 25 knots expected by the afternoon. Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief. Have a great day.